Diode as rectifier. What is diode? It is used to convert AC source to DC source. There are two types of rectifier. One is half-wave rectifier and the other one is full-wave rectifier. And full-wave rectifier is also split to two types. One is center tap, the other one is bridge.
Half-wave rectifier. Half-wave rectifier only consists of one diode. In this question, we need to find out the output voltage. We can see clearly that the transformer is 4:1 ratio, so it is a step-down transformer. The power supply to the circuit is 120 volts. So the voltage, primary voltage is also 120. To find out what is the secondary voltage, we can use the formula. Since the number of turns in the secondary is 4, and the primary voltage is 120, so the secondary voltage is equal to 30 volts. Next, we are going to calculate the output voltage. Since we are using a practical silicon diode, which has its own variable potential of 0.7 volt, so we need to consider it and deduct it. So the output voltage is equal to secondary voltage minus the variable potential of the diode. So the output voltage is equal to 30 volt minus 0.7 volt. So the output voltage is equal to 29.3 volt. At the positive cycle, the polarity is like this. The current will flow through from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. The current will flow through it and then to the resistor. So the output voltage will like this. At the negative cycle, the terminal will reverse. The current will flow in the different direction. The current cannot flow through it because the diode block the current through the resistor. So there are no output voltage at the negative cycle. Full wave rectifier. Center tap. Full wave rectifier consists of two diodes, that is D1 and D2. Actually, this circuit design is also equivalent to this design. That is, the resistor is at the middle of the diode. at the positive cycle, the polarity is like this. The current will flow from the positive terminal to the negative. So the diode D1 is acting as forward bias and D2 is reverse bias. Since at the loop 1 the diode is forward bias, so the current can flow through it. So the graph is like this. At the second loop, the reverse bias brought the current, so the diode is acting as the open circuit, open switch. At the negative cycle, the current will flow from the positive terminal to the negative. So at this condition, D1 is acting as reverse bias, while the diode 2 is acting as forward bias. So at the first loop, since D1 is reverse bias, the current is brought and the D1 is acting as open switch. So there is no output. At the second loop, diode 2 is forward bias and the current can pass through it. So full wave rectifier can give the output voltage in both the positive and negative cycle. So it gives this output voltage graph.
Rectifier. This rectifier consists of 4 diodes. Current flows from primary coil to secondary coil. For the positive half cycle, current flows from positive terminal to D1 and pass through resistor to C, and it goes to D2 until the negative terminal. This is for the positive half cycle. And for the negative half cycle, AC flows from positive terminal to D3 and it passes through resistor to C and it goes to D4 until negative terminal. This is for the negative half cycle.